I'm such a pussy. Oh god. I'm a beast. I'm an animal. On the earth. Unfortunately. But both times were fun.
Dress! hankandjohn@gmail.com.
That Pixar thing. I don't know if that's even Pixar.
Good morning, John. It's Friday.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
They didn't even change the numbers. I had to burp, which makes things much less creepy.
Taco. So, technology for the environment. I'll see you next time.
So, it's honestly not a huge deal. 200 pounds. Excuse me. Them intervals, dude.
Niagara Falls. So I hope you guys, excuse me, I just had a protein shake.
Excuse me, that was very rude. I'm sorry. Excuse me.
What's going on, guys? It's Adam Wayfair, and in today's video we're going to be doing Ask Adam number 6. Let's do this. Love that. Oh shit! What? No, what the hell? Don't know what that was. I don't know what that was either. Yeah.
On a show that I was in. Ooh, that burp was gurgly.
Mural of the that's very frustrating. It's on SoundCloud, it's on YouTube, it's on my second channel. Texans Tuesday did not pan out. I mean, I'm gonna go with the teeth there because that's fucking personal. I think it's obvious. The goddamn Celtics. Oh, excuse me. Why I like, you know, pipes and not like cigars. You know what I mean?
I love you guys. See ya.
Later.
Bye.
See ya.
I'm a huge fan of meat lovers.
Oh.
So ashamed.
Wow.
And Visa.